Hello, this is Adam from Scan Pro Audio, and today we're going to show you something a little bit different. So I've got Simon with me from Yamaha, and of course we have the amazing brand new SX920. But I thought what we would do is answer some of the questions that people are often giving us the questions in the comments, of course. Now, one question that I get asked quite a lot, Simon, is how do we find extra content and free content for, of course, the SX920? And you, of course, have brought along the solution.
Yes, we've got here the Expansion Explorer app.
Okay.
It is free, so I'd recommend download that from... I've got a tablet here. You can get that from the store, the App Store, the Play Store. And basically, we're just going to plug it in, and that's USB.
So that goes into the... like what? To host port type thing, and then all we've got on it is obviously it's a normal USB lead, as you can see, and then obviously we've just got a little adapter which makes it the same as Simon's iPad because his is a USB-C.
Yep.
So it's a very basic lead, connects in, and obviously once we've done that, you can see on the screen it will quickly say then connecting to iPad or whatever, and now we're ready to go. So on the app, which you don't forget is a completely free download. And you'll be able to see on your screen what the app looks like. It's detected that we're using an SX920. Of course, if you've got an SX720, even if you've got a Genos2, it'll work with all those products. And it's basically saying now, I guess, let's search for something. Is that right?
Yep. You can search, you can type in something. So if you think of a style or you've got some inspiration from these, but we're looking for content that doesn't already exist on there.
Okay, so we've actually got like a search bar, and then we've got advanced as well. So if we don't really know, I'm guessing
there's so many different
so countries. This is the great, so you can search via country. So you could have England, you could have Spain, you could have France, whatever.
What are you thinking then?
I don't know. I'm just seeing what are the categories. We've got classic, dance, entertainer, Latin, movie and show. We've got tags, organ, or for Alpen, Transylvania's in there. We've got funk, we've got gospel, and so on and so on. But I'm just looking at those Latin, I think, is probably the best one, isn't it? So if you just tap Latin, press search, I guess.
Search, yeah.
So what it will do now is literally pull out all the styles that are completely free to download for Latin.
How many? 238.
238 free styles, all with a tag that's to do with Latin. And now rather than going down, obviously probably something like a lambada. That's what I play to a Latin.
Right, well, they're all in alphabetical. So
there's loads, isn't there? Lambada, it's there. Get it. So literally, I guess you press it.
Well, you can preview it first.
Okay.
Because we're going to go and load it onto the keyboard, but you can just preview it on here to see if you think it's the right thing.
That's the one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You may or may not be able to hear that on the video, but we get a preview, and obviously you can see on the app there, we can preview A, B, C, and D, so you can preview all the things, which is really good.
And the great thing is, instead of having to now copy to USB sticks and try and import and all that, because we're connected the tablet through, all you have to do now is press install now.
Oh, that's cool as well. So it tells you what pack it's from.
So that style is part of a pack.
Yeah.
Although we're just singled out your lambada request.
So voice and style Brazil.
If you press that pack, that will show you what else is in the pack.
Wow. So there's a pack there for free with 50 styles.
You could download the whole pack if you wanted. We'll just do the song for now, but
and it's got sounds as well.
Yep.
That's amazing. Sorry.
We'll just do... That's okay. You're getting too excited.
I got too excited. So, we've picked Lambada. We've seen the pack. So, let's go back if we can.
Back.
And then we'll just... So, we've got we've picked the style that we want.
Yep.
I can see install now.
Yeah, press that.
And, it's come on my keyboard now. It's installed to the keyboard. Yada, yada, yada.
That's done. That's
wow.
good.
That was simple, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, what do? So, we go into style, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
Into user, would it be? Are there any style install? Lambada.
It will have a one-touch setting as well.
It does. Sold. Anyway, enough for that. You don't want that, but you get the idea. But just out of an interest, because obviously, certainly some of the calls that I get a lot is obviously. I noticed on the tags there you've got Indian as well, because obviously quite a lot of people ask, can we download this extra content for our keyboard? So I just be interested to see if we did search for that or view it on the tags.
Yeah, so
that just says it's complete.
It's completed, yeah. I'm just going to clear the category of Latin so that we can get back to those. So which one did you want?
Well, I think it was under, if we go back up, I'm sure I saw it before.
India,
yeah. So if we click that.
And then press search. This one has returned 68
freestyles.
Yeah, there's loads in there. Oh, you must know one that you could choose. I mean,
well, I don't know. I mean, let's just pick. Let's pick one. We'll just for argument's sake, we'll pick one.
Well, remember you can preview it before you.
Of course, yeah. So using his lovely drums. I like that one.
Yeah, I like that one.
So if we look at that again, we could actually go for the entire pack if we wanted, which is called the Devotional Pack, Indian Traditional Music category.
Yep.
So just out of interest, that one has got 24 styles in that pack, but it's also got 59 brand new sounds.
Yeah.
Completely free for your Genos2, your SX920, 720. So if we just load that style...
Just that single one?
Yeah, and I would imagine because this has got lots of voices in it, it might take a bit longer.
It might take.
Because the other one... Oh, no, it's doing it pretty quick.
Yep.
So it's going through, downloading. Done.
It's just transferring
now it's transferring it now.
So it's only probably, 20, 30 seconds?
But obviously you'll do this once and then it's in your keyboard.
Yes.
It's not like something that you...
Yeah, that's an important point.
I'm doing a gig. I'm not loading a style in every time I'm playing it.
Once it's in there, then you can unplug and just leave it and then it's in the memory.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So that's not too long to wait, is it? For
something for free? No, absolutely nothing these days.
What are you going to play is what I'm interested in.
I'm not going to play anything. I wouldn't want to be... I can't play Lambada. Let's have a look. Here we go. So it's done it now anyway. Now formatting, executing, popping that in. And of course, at any point, there is an option on there when it's connected that you can actually delete the styles off the app. Yeah, and it just does it automatically.
It's now changed. The button that did say install has now changed to delete.
Okay.
So again, you find it in
here.
Yeah.
User. And there it is.
It's added it to the other one. Yep.
Fantastic. So you can hear obviously some of the sounds.
It's got the one-touch settings as well.
Lovely. I'm just interested in the. Can we bring up the mixer? What's in that?
Yeah.
Them drums are lovely.
Yeah. Oh, the mixer of the back. Yeah. So press menu, and then go to mixer there. And then in the style, you could see...
There we go.
Yeah, what's in there.
So you can see on the screen here, Rhythm 1 and Phase 2 of the style have a different icon. And it's an icon that's not on the 920 because it shows the purple expansion.
Yeah.
So you can see it's actually using...
You can touch it if you want to.
But that's...
it's showing you.
But that wasn't playing though then. That's... Oh yeah, it's not playing, you see, that one in that particular variation. But the drums are... So you can see Tabla Kit 2.
Tabla Kit. So that's why it took a little bit longer because it was loading those as well.
Yeah.
As a style.
And we've got in there so far from these extra 2 styles that we've done, we've actually downloaded, included within the style, 6 new sounds. I would imagine the harmonium, would that have been from that last style or maybe Lambada? I don't know, but chances are they all came from that last style. But you see, you're not just getting styles, you're also getting sounds as well.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't even know, but maybe some have multi-pads as well. I'm not sure.
I've not explored.
Not really. Sure. I'm going to have a go on this and really dive into it and get some of these free styles. So just to recap, it's called the Yamaha
Expansion Explorer.
Expansion Explorer. So if you're on iPhone, of course, go into the Apple Store. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store or whatever it's called these days. Your lead, all you need is, dependent on what your device is, you obviously need the to host lead, which goes into the back of your keyboard here. And then, so it's not the USB sockets, it's the different one.
We could unplug it if you want.
It's called to host on the back of your keyboard. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that there. It looks like an old printer cable, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what you would have used at the time we used to plug printers in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Into there. And then this one, depending on what your tablet has, this one's USB-C. That's there.
Yeah, so you just need USB to host lead into whatever your device is.
Yep.
Connected up. The device automatically connects
Works on
to
a
your
phone
iPad
as well.
Yeah, it works on a phone as well.
Yeah, I've got it on my iPhone.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be an iPad, of course.
Yep.
It can be a phone as well, which is, I think that's a great feature. I love that. And the fact it's free, completely free. So I hope that's answered your question, because obviously I get phone calls all the time. They love the keyboards, they love the products, but where can we get this extra content from? You know, purely if you play in a genre that's maybe not available in the UK, you can get that extra content for free by using this expansion manager software. Not expansion, what was
Expansion Explorer.
Expansion Explorer software for free. There we go. That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I like that. I'm going to go and play Lambada now. So thanks very much once again to Simon.
Thank you.
And everybody should have a go at that. If you own a Genos2, SX920, SX720, does it work with other products as well? Do you know, Simon, off the top of your head?
I've only played it with 920, 720 and Genos2.
So I'm sure it'll say it work, you know, what if, and you can use it on other instruments as well. But as we've said, with the current range of products, 720, SX920, and of course Genos2. Download it for free today. And for more information and to view these amazing, beautiful products, and of course buy them, visit us at scan.co.uk. Bye bye for now.